Hello everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial with GretaWings. Today I want to teach you how to make these sleeves and also in another different form. I will use this yarn, is 100% cotton yarn, it's about 3 millimeters and has like 6 threads with 2.5 millimeters hook, but you can make this sleeve depend of the project that you made it with whatever yarn that you prefer. Then let's start. We will start with the slip knot. Remember, with this yarn 2.5 millimeters hook, slip knot and 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Starting on the second chain from the hook, let's start with one slip stitch. In the next chain, one single crochet. In the next one half double crochet. Then 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. On the last chain, one slip stitch. Three chains again. 1, 2 and 3. Then 6 double crochet, one in each base of the previous double crochet, previous stitch here. Then the first one, the second 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One half double crochet, one single crochet and one slip stitch in the same base than the first slip stitch. That's it. Now to the end, 8 slip stitch on the center. You can see there. One slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then one chain just for secure. Put that thread to the right and then the chain to secure. You don't need cut the yarn. We will continue making the next sleeves. Again, starting with 11 chains. This is what I really like this design, is because you can continue with the next and next and next sleeves, as many sleeves as you need. Then, if you want separation between the sleeves, you only need to start with more chains. I will show you that sample later when we finish this one. Then let's make another sleeves together. Again, starting with 11 chains. 1 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. In the second chain from the hook, one slip stitch, one single crochet, one half double crochet, 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. 1 slip stitch on the last chain. Move the first leaf to the right. Then 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 slip stitch, and then 8 slip stitch on the center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1 chain to secure. That's it. Every time the previous sleeves, you need to put it to the right, okay, for continue with the next ones. Then I will make another one just to show you 3 sleeves together, and after that I will show you another sample a little different. Okay, just repeat exactly the same as many sleeves as you need, and every time again put the previous sleeves to the right. That is very important. Then I'm almost finished the another sample, okay, with 1 chain to secure, and that's it. I will explain you now how I do these sleeves to get separation between them. This is a different result. Well, I'm already made 4. For the first sleeves on this piece, I'm start with the same, with 11 chains. But for the second sleeves, I'm starting with 16 chains. I work the leaf in 11 chains and leave the separation. For the separation, I leave 5 chains. If you want to leave, for example, 6 chains of separation, you need to start with 17 chains. And that's it. It's easy. Just get a note and you will see better. Then I'm already made this and the another one with 4 too. I really love this design, and if you already start with me in the final at the end of this video, you need to know that we will use these sleeves for our next project on this channel. We will use that roses with sleeves for a new Virgin of Guadalupe. You will love that. If you haven't seen this video yet, in the description below you will find the links. And also for that Virgin of Guadalupe, I'm already made 16 roses in total, and 2 of them with 3 sleeves. Then I hope and you like this video, and if it's like that, leave me your like and your comments. I'm really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And subscribe and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end, and see you on the next Amigurumi. Bye!